In this video, we're looking at polygons. So polygons are shapes with straight sides. They can be convex or non-convex, like we covered in a previous video, the quadrilaterals. Now, polygons include a range of different shapes. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, heptagons, octagons, nonagons, all of the above. All right. But the important thing we're going to be covering in this video is what we call the angle sum of a polygon. Now, it does have a formula, and the sum equals bracket n minus 2 and then times 180. So, n is the number of sides, so this can work for a range of different polygons. And I'm going to show you how we do this with an example. So here's our example, and we need to find the value of a. So the first thing I always think we should do is write down the formula. So s equals n minus 2 times 180. The next thing you should do is identify how many sides your polygon has. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equals 6. We now can substitute this into the original. So s equals 6 take away 2 times 180, and that gives us an answer of 720. So I know all the angles added up need to add up to 720. So knowing that, I know, remember that also these are 90, just to make things a little clearer. I know that a plus 130 plus 120 plus 150 plus 90 and plus 90 all need to equal 720. So knowing that, I can subtract all the angles we know from 720. So a is going to equal 720, take away 130, take away 120, take away 150, take away 90, and take away 90. And that all equals 140 degrees. So with these questions, a lot of the time the question could ask, hey, I just want you to find me the angle sum. I don't care about any specific angle. But sometimes they'll ask you, hey, I need this angle. So you got to use the angle sum first and then find your unknown angle.